Welcome to our channel, where we unlock the Forex wealth secrets that can transform your trading game and bring you financial success. In this video, we will provide you with expert knowledge and insights to help you navigate the Forex market like a pro. Are you ready to unleash your potential? Let's get started. Segment 1: Understanding the Forex Market. The Forex market, also known as the foreign exchange market, is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world. It involves trading currencies from different countries, where profits can be made by correctly predicting exchange rate movements. To become a successful Forex trader, you must first understand the fundamental concepts and key terminology used in the market. Familiarize yourself with concepts such as currency pairs, pips, leverage, and market analysis techniques. Segment 2: Essential Trading Strategies. Now that you have a basic understanding of the Forex market, let's dive into some essential trading strategies that can help you maximize your profits and minimize risks. Strategy 1: Trend Following. The trend following strategy involves identifying and trading in the direction of major market trends. By analyzing historical price data and using technical indicators, you can spot trends and ride them to your advantage. Strategy 2: Breakout Trading. Breakout trading involves entering a trade when the price breaks through a key support or resistance level. This strategy aims to capture significant price movements that often occur after a period of consolidation. Strategy 3: Risk Management. Effective risk management is crucial in Forex trading. Always set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses, and calculate your position size based on your risk tolerance and the size of your trading account. Segment 3: Bonus Tip: Forex Wealth Secrets Unleashed. And now, here's a bonus tip that can take your Forex trading to the next level. Focus on mastering your emotions and maintaining discipline. The ability to control your emotions and stick to your trading plan, even during volatile market conditions, can greatly enhance your chances of success. Remember, Forex trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires dedication, continuous learning, and the application of proven strategies. But with the right knowledge and mindset, you can unlock the wealth potential of the Forex market. We hope you found this video insightful and informative. If you enjoyed it, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more expert insights and strategies. Now, go out there and unleash the Forex wealth secrets.